I know. AP put up for elimination though. It's scary.
I don't think you need to worry much.
Yeah, but still.